Hey everybody, welcome to Country Girl. Today I am doing my 10,000 subscriber giveaway, and I'm super excited about this because it just gives me an opportunity to give back to you and to let you know how much I appreciate you and thank you for all of your support. And if there's anybody that's new that's watching, welcome to my channel, and I hope you like what you see. If you go check out some other videos, and that you too may decide that you want to be part of my YouTube family. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you what I'm doing. Today I'm actually going to do two giveaways. I was going to combine them, but the things were kind of random, and so I just thought, well, you know what, not everybody might not like everything that I had in it, so I am dividing it up into two. And just to let you know kind of what I'm doing, I am doing a giveaway on things that are favorites of mine, or things that I really like. The first giveaway is going to be makeup related, and the reason I chose to do this is because I have had a lot of comments asking me about what kind of lipstick I use, or what kind of eyeshadow I use, and things like that. So I just thought that would be a nice little giveaway to do, to give you not the whole entire set of everything that I wear, but the main items of stuff that I wear. I'll get started and show you what I'm going for this giveaway first. This is going to be, I'm just going to call this giveaway 1, and then the other one can be giveaway 2. And the other one is actually going to be like kitchen tools that I use when I cook. Some of the favorite things that just make my life a little bit easier getting around the kitchen. Okay, starting out with the eyes. I had commented before that whenever I do my eyeshadow, I always put a eyeshadow or eye makeup primer on my eyes first. Before, years ago, when I did not use this, I don't know why, my makeup still held pretty good, but when I started using like the brushes versus the little applicators that come in the sets, for some reason my eyeshadow just would never stay. And it would like flake and kind of like fall on my cheeks and things like that. So I did start using the eye makeup primer. I started out with the e.l.f. product, which was okay. But my favorite one that I like to use is by Wet n Wild. And that is this eyeshadow primer here. And I am going to show you mine because this one is in the box and I'm not going to take it out. But basically, and then my tube's a little bit messed up and dirty, so forgive me for that. But basically, it just looks like this. And this little tube lasts me quite a while. If I use this 5 days out of a week, I can probably use this for 2 or 3 months, because you only have to use just a small amount on your finger. And just to tell you how good this stuff works, I have actually put my eyeshadow on before and maybe got it a little bit too high in a certain area, and went to take like a little wipe or something just to wipe the area off, and I could not get it off with a regular wipe. I actually had to get an eye makeup remover to get it off. So this stuff works really well. So anyway, that is going to be one of the items that is going to be in the giveaway. And then the second item is going to be this Revlon Color Stay eyeshadow set, and it's in Addictive. I really love the colors in here, and I do pretty much use all of the colors. The main color that I like to use in creasing my eye is the dark brown, and then I do use the very light color like on the top near my eyebrow. And I use the other two colors. I kind of blend those together when I'm doing my eyebrows and stuff. But I have used this for years and I absolutely love it, so I am going to put that in there. My favorite mascara of all time, it used to be the Maybelline that's pink with a little green lid. I'm sure that a lot of y'all know what that is. I used it all through high school. But anyway, I use this L'Oreal Original Black mascara. And so I absolutely love this. They have one that looks similar to this, but it's called Carbon Black. I bought it a couple times not thinking, and it just does not work the same. I don't know why, but it just doesn't. This is the absolute best mascara ever. That one's getting included in here as well. And then I'm going to give away the 3 products that I use on my lips. Whenever I do my lips, I usually take like a little baby wipe or something, and I always go over my lips just kind of to exfoliate the dead skin cells and stuff. And then I put Burt's Beeswax on. I really love this stuff. I mean, I have used other lip balms in the past just to kind of get me through if I don't have this on hand or something, I can't find mine. And then my favorite lip pencil is, this is by Wet n Wild, and it is called Brandywine. And it is just a really pretty wine color. And I'm going to show you mine up close because it's open. This is not open. It's actually got like a little seal around here. So I will show you that. But I have used this lip liner with, I don't really wear red lipstick, but I have used this lip liner with multiple different shades of mauves, pinks, peaches, all kinds of colors. And it just blends so well. They used to sell this at the Dollar Tree, but I had a hard time finding this at the Dollar Tree. When I was looking for it, I actually had to go to CVS to pick this up. So they do still carry these in the drugstores if y'all are looking for these. So I am going to include that. So this is the my lip liner that I'm using, and it looks really ratty because, you know, I've been using it for a while. But anyway, just to kind of give you an up-close look on that. It is just really a beautiful color. And this pencil lasts me forever. Oh my gosh. I can't even tell you how long I've had this pencil. It's been over a year. You see how much of it I still have left. This is the lip pencil. And then the lipstick that I use is 808 Matte Kadima. I think is how you say it. And this is L'Oreal. When I did I did like a little makeup tutorial thing that I did, and I put it on my Instagram TV, and I think I said that the lipstick was by Revlon, but it is not. It's actually by L'Oreal. I do use Revlon eyeshadow, but almost everything else I use is by L'Oreal. I didn't necessarily choose to pick everything to wear from there, but it just seems like that whenever I was trying to shop for a makeup that I really liked the best, it always ended up being theirs. But anyway, it comes in this little black tube here, and this is mine. I'm going to open this to show you. This is the one that I'm actually giving away, and it's brand new. Put that over to the side. But this one's mine, and this color here, it is I love this color. And you would not think that this color, you'd think, oh my gosh, that is so super light. But it actually works perfect, because by the time you put it on your lips and you kind of like blend it in a little bit, but it kind of blends in with the lip liner. This is the color that I get, and I've got it on right now. And so these are the main makeup things that I use, and I am giving that away, and that is going to be giveaway number 1. So now I'm going to get started and show you what giveaway number 2 is going to be. And there's not quite as many items in the giveaway 2, but these items were a little bit more expensive. One of the items that I'm giving away today is this Proctor Silex hand blender, or I call it an immersion blender. And this is what I use to puree like a lot of my soups and stuff like that. I think you can use this with like mashed potatoes and things. I really like this, and I don't use it very often because I don't eat soups like that all the time. But it is nice to have when you do decide that you want to make a soup like broccoli and cheese or something like that. Those of you who have not seen me use this, I did use this in my last cooking video where I did the, I'm trying to think, I think it was the sweet potato soup. I did use this to puree my stuff in that. So, yeah, this is going to be one of the items. The other item is this meat chopper. Now, my meat chopper that I use is by Pampered Chef, but I don't really have contact with any Pampered Chef dealers anymore. I'm sure that they are still in business. But they sell these on Amazon, and so I did pick this up from Amazon. This one I think had either 4 stars or 4.5 stars, so it apparently works really well. And a lot of people had commented on this little meat chopper tool when I had posted certain videos of different recipes and stuff that I was making and used this. But I really like this. Anytime you're going to chop up any type meats and make them real fine, like hamburger meat or sausage meat that you're going to be making for like you know, like when I made my chili and things like that, it just does a really good job. So that one is also going to be in giveaway number 2. And just to show you kind of what this looks like on the end. So, and then the last item I do not have here with me because I had to order it from Amazon, and I'm not supposed to get it until I think Monday or Tuesday. But I am going to insert a video to show you what it is. Basically, this is called a butter bell or a butter crock, and this is something that I have had for about maybe a little over a month, And I had been wanting one, and I happened to be in a little country store one day and they were selling it, so I went ahead and bought it. I absolutely love this little crock. You basically just put room temperature stick butter, push it down into the little bell, and get it good, get it all in there really good. Then you fill the little base up with some cold water, and then you just turn it upside down and put it into the little base with water. And what that water does is it works as a seal, and it actually keeps the air out of your butter and keeps your butter fresh, and you do not have to refrigerate your butter. And you can use that to anytime you want toast or you want to spread butter on something, you basically just take that little crock and open it and dip in there, get whatever butter you want to use and spread it on, and it is just so wonderful. I have had my butter out already like a week, and if I don't use it every day, I do change the water, like, they say every 2 to 3 days, I think, and every time I do use it, I just go ahead and add fresh water to it. Anyway, that is what I'm giving away in giveaway number 2, are those 3 items. And I'm going to put the rules and everything for how to enter this giveaway down in the description box below. One of the things I would like you to do, though, is I would like you to comment and let me know whether or not you are interested in giveaway number 1 or giveaway number 2, or if you wouldn't mind having either one, because when the winner is chosen, then that way at least it will help me to determine maybe which one, or when the winners, excuse me, when the winners are picked, it will help me to determine which one you may be interested in. Again, I'm so excited about this. I never thought that I would, I've been doing this about 1.5 years, I guess. And, it started out as just doing something fun, and then something that I really decided that I enjoyed doing. And I have just made so many friends along the way, and it's just been such a blessing to me to be able to read your comments. And y'all were just so caring. And I've said this before when I've done another giveaway, I don't always make these types of comments in my regular everyday videos, but I always feel this, and that's why I'm so excited to be able to have a video where it's just about you, because I get to tell you how much you mean to me. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope y'all all have a great week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.